Hey guys, today we're going to do Dog Day from Poppy Playtime. I'm going to use my iPad, but just grab a pencil paper, and if I go too fast, just pause the video, but otherwise, let's get started. So I'm going to do first his nose, which is just going to be this kind of upside down triangle rounded shape. We'll fill that in dark, and then we'll do two curves that come out each side for his eyes, just like that. Okay, and then just curve them in for the bottom, and a couple of circles in the middle for kind of his pupil. And then we'll just fill in the rest dark. Okay, then do a line that comes and kind of goes over the top of where the eyes are. And then on each side, we're gonna do just these little furry things. Then connect those two with a big, huge kind of smiley face shape. Now, from the bottom of his nose, we're going to curve up and over on each side, and then another happy face that goes and connects those two. And then last of all, inside the mouth, we'll do this curved shape just like that for his tongue, and just fill in that dark. All right, we've got his head done. Let's do his arms. So his arms, they're going to be the same on each side. So we'll curve up like that, and then one more curve for his palm, and then go right above the palm curve and do another one over, and then do the opposite, so a finger on that side. And then what we'll do is we'll just bring that all the way down like that. Okay, then on the top of that palm, we'll just do two more little finger shapes like that. And that is it. So we'll do the same thing on the other side. So we'll come up and over, do one curve over for this palm, another one up above, and a finger. And then we'll bring that all the way down like that. And then, of course, don't forget, two fingers on the top, just like that. All right, now let's do his ears. So we'll come off the top of his head, curve in like that, create another curve, same shape, and then just bring it all the way over. So same thing on the other side. These are gonna just give him these big old floppy ears. Last of all, where his wrists are, we'll just do two curves, and we're good there. All right, now go down below his head and draw a circle. And then around that circle, we're gonna just do these little spikes, kind of make it like the sun. Just like that. And then right below it, just do a little circle that kind of goes underneath. All right, then over where the arms come down, just curve over, and then we're gonna go up and down to create his foot, and then all the way over like that. All right, now same for the other side. So we'll just curve all the way over like that, go up, down, and over like that. And then we'll just do this little curve right there to connect the legs, a couple of lines right where his ankles are. And then last of all, a little oval for where his foot is, just so it kind of gives us some depth. And maybe a couple little lines there. All right, let's do his tail and we'll call it finished. So just curve from the right over and up, with a couple little bumps like that. All right, and now he is finished. So I hope you guys enjoyed drawing Dog Day with me. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, so you can see my next drawing videos as they come out. And otherwise, thanks so much for hanging out today, guys, and I will see you next time.